Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change home screen layout on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to change your home screen layout is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on home screen. Scroll down the home screen and click on home screen layout. You can switch between home screen and app screen or home screen only. And then click on apply. After that, go back to the home screen. Then you should see your home screen layout changed. And if you want to go back to the app screen and home screen, repeat the same thing. Click on home screen layout and then choose home screen and app screen. And then that's it. So that's exactly how to change home screen layout on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.